Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon in Infinite Craft. We'll begin by combining water and fire to get steam. Then, combine earth and wind to form dust. Finally, mix dust with water to create mud. These initial steps are crucial for building the foundational elements needed for our delicious goal. Keep crafting. Next, let's focus on creating the animal. First, combine steam with itself to form cloud. Then, mix cloud with more steam to produce rain. Finally, combine rain with the mud you made earlier to successfully craft a pig. This little piggy is a vital step towards our ultimate bacon creation. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Take the pig you just crafted and combine it with fire. This simple yet magical combination will transform your pig into delicious bacon. You've successfully created this savory item in Infinite Craft. It's a satisfying feeling to see your efforts pay off. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of making bacon. Now that you have this fantastic new element, the fun truly begins. Try combining bacon with other items in your inventory to discover exciting and unexpected creations. The world of Infinite Craft is vast, so keep exploring and enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.